warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable English Lecturer Dr. Woman Yani Sri Mulyani MM. And let me to introduce myself. My name is Sri Mulyan Farhata Nuragija. I am from class 2C. I am from Binasarana Informatika Student University. I am from Information System Study Program with NIM 19241324. Thank you for the opportunity to speak today. I would like to talk about presentation computer and hardware. Computer and hardware. Topic to be discussed: the first, definition of computer; the second, computer history came; the third, main component of the computer; the fourth, the difference between hardware, software, and brainware; the fifth, main function of the computer; the sixth, definition of hardware; the seventh, hardware function; the eighth, key hardware component; the ninth, example of hardware and its function; the last topic, types of hardware based on their function. A. Computer. What is about computer? General definition: a computer is an electronic device designed to process data and execute instructions or programs. Or, computers are electronic devices that work systematically and carefully to process various data such as numbers, sounds, and images. Computer history came. Historical development. Initially, the term computer was used to describe a person who performed mathematical calculation. Later, the term was used for mechanical calculation machines, such as abacus and calculators. With the development of technology, modern computers have become more sophisticated electronic devices and are capable of performing various tasks. Main component of the computer. The first, hardware. The physical part of the computer, such as the CPU, RAM, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The second, software or instruction used to run a computer, such as operating system and application. Brainware, the user who operate and control the computer. The difference between hardware, software, and brainware. The first, hardware, physical and real, such as CPUs and motherboards. The second, software, invisible in the form of code and programs. The third, brainware, the user as the controller. Main function of the computer. Receiving input. The computer receives data or information for various input devices such as keyboard, mouse, and or scanner. Processing data. The data received Processing data. The data received is processed by the central processing unit or CPU according to the instruction provided. Main function of the computer, storing data. Computers have various storage devices such as hard disk or SSDs to store data. Providing output. The result of data processing are present in the form of output such as text, image, sound, or video through an output device such as a monitor or speaker. Application example. Computers are used in a variety of fields from business, education, entertainment, and to communicate and research. B. Hardware. What is about hardware? Hardware in a computer system is hardware that acts as a tool to execute various processes controlled by software. Hardware function. The first, data processing. Hardware such as CPU or central processing unit plays a central role in data processing. The CPU is in charge of processing the raw data provided by the user into useful information. 2. Data storage or second, data storage. Hardware such as hard drives and solid-state drives or SSDs are used to store data in various forms. This data can be in the form of document, application, and multimedia files. Storage devices are also divided into two main types. Temporary storage, such as RAM, is used to store data while the system is active. Permanent storage is like a hard drive that stores data even when the computer is shut down. User interaction with the system. Hardware such as keyboard, mice, and touchscreen facilitate interaction between users and computer system. These functions allows the user to provide instructions and receive response from the computer. 4. Provide output. Hardware such as monitors and printers allow digital data to be converted into information that can be received by humans, whether in visual, print, or sound form. Print or sound form. Key hardware component. The first, motherboard. A motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all the hardware components inside a computer. The motherboard ensures that each component can communicate with each other. The motherboard's main feature includes slots for the CPU, RAM, graphic card, and storage. CPU or Central Processing Unit. The CPU is often referred to as the computer brain. Its function include instruction execution, multitasking, process control, and data processing. CPU speed is measured in units of Gs or gigahertz, which indicates the number of instructions that can be processed per second. Other device, additional components such as GPUs or graphic processing units. For graphic processing and VGUs or power supply units to provide electrical power are also important part of the hardware. Example of hardware and its function. The first, hard drive. A hard drive is the main storage device in a computer. Its function is to store data permanently. HDD or hard disk drive use a magnetic disk to store data. Large capacity but slower read or write speed than SSDs. SSDs or solid-state drive use flash memory technology that is faster, more durable, and more energy efficient than HDD. 2. Keyboard. The keyboard is an input device used to enter data and instruction. Keyboards have different types such as the first, mechanical keyboard, known for its high durability and comfort when typing. Second, membrane keyboard, more affordable with a thin and lightweight design. The third, ergonomic keyboard designed to reduce strain when used for long periods of time. 3. Camera or third camera. Camera on computer such as webcams are used to capture image or videos. Webcams are widely used for video conferencing, streaming, or security purposes. 4. Microphone. A microphone is an input device that converts sound into a digital signal. Microphones are often used in communication applications such as Zoom or Google Meet, as well as for recording voice. Types of hardware based on their function. The first, input device, mouse, used for navigation and interaction with the interface. Scanner, convert physical document into digital files. Joystick, generally used for games or simulation. Second, processing device, CPU or central processing unit, manage and process all instruction from the software. GPU or graphic processing unit, used for graphic processing, especially for applications such as 3D design or gaming. 3. Storage device, RAM or random access memory, temporary storage that helps speed up system process. HDDs and SSDs stores data in the long run. 4. Output device, monitor, displays information in visual form. Printer, products physical copies of digital data. Speaker, converts digital data into sound. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.